People in the world have to understand that the world's population is going to double by 2030. The resources of our planet are finite, they're not infinite, and we consume at a rate that is, in my opinion, completely unsustainable. With the population doubling, imagine how quickly we'll be tearing down mountains and forests to take the resources, the minerals and the trees and plants from those places. It's frightening to imagine what the future might be if we don't address those problems today. That if we don't become greater stewards of the resources of the planet, the future for our children and our children's children are unimaginable. One of the wonderful things that the Weizmann Institute is developing is a hydrogen fuel technology. The only byproduct from the hydrogen fuel is zinc, which is recycled and reused. Every day, there's hundreds of things that each of us can do that will have a positive impact on the environment. Simple things like remembering to shut off the water, turn out the lights, choosing to ride a bicycle instead of getting behind a vehicle. And the wonderful news is that there's organizations like the Weizmann Institute where people can go to research and learn more about things that each of us can do. There are hundreds of places you can go online to search and find ways of reducing your carbon footprint, about learning more about solar power, about learning more about individuals that are taking giant steps to make the world more sustainable and more livable for future generations. They say that we don't plant trees for ourselves, we plant them for our grandchildren. One of the wonderful, simple things that you can do to support the Weizmann Institute and the scientists they support is to create a video. You create a video and post it on the Weizmann Institute on their Tree of Humanity. The videos will be shared with people all over the world and showing your support of the Weizmann Institute. The other thing that you can do is to reach out to the Weizmann Institute and learn more about the scientists who are doing things to protect our environment, doing things that make our world a safer, more sustainable place. There are hundreds of scientists working with the Weizmann Institute to make our world better. You can help them by making a donation to the Weizmann Institute. My name is Matthew Modine. I dedicate my Tree of Humanity video to Carl Sagan because Carl Sagan understood how important it was to protect the environment, how important it was for all humanity to work together to solve the problems that we face.